Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate bingo cards on Canva. So go to apps and select bingo cards. You can populate words from a category down below or enter your own words. You have the 2x2 grid size, 3x3, 4x4, and 5x5. The usual bingo is the 5x5 grid size, but I'm just going to do 2x2. So I'll just show you. I'm going to enter some words that are under that are according to Taylor Swift, and you can also choose the number of cards here. So I'm just going to type in some songs, and red. Okay, very random. I should probably just do the album names. There we go. And then you're also going to choose the font here. Then once you're done, you're just going to select create bingo cards and it will create the bingo card for you. You can choose from, actually I don't think you can choose. You're just going to put this is just one card. This is the second card, third card, fourth card, and whatnot. And it will be in a different order for bingo. And you can edit that and you can add in some pictures here and there using elements and stuff like that. Maybe red hearts on Canva, and you can add it to the bingo card like that, just to add some decorations and whatnot. And I'm just going to type in pink hearts for a lover. And just decorate it. Yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Trying to finish this in one video, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.